Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe. Oh my god. ഇന്ന് ഒരു ആള് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ എത്ര ഇട്ടു Come on. You seriously? I got rid of all my 1 minute XP for this. Wait, where's my armor? Oh no. Nah. Where's my armor? Where is my armor? Is it in here? I already lost a chest plate. What am I eating? Oh. It's right there. Okay, I did not see that. Sorry, guys. Yo, let's go. Bayam. Even bayam. Then bayam. No, I don't think I need a Jericho. I need Garrett's. What? Riptide 3 tries. Then under. And then that's what I need. I can get rid of all the other things. I don't need like 1 clog, 1 piece of sand. That is the best food source I ever seen in my life. So let's just go to a new land, and I think it is to build a base. I guess my asking, right? Are you in hardcore? I'm not in hardcore. There's actually one person in my what was it in my class which said play Minecraft. So that's what I said. That's what I'm playing Minecraft for. Not for any other reason, but anything. So you guys just watch me do this. Guys, after a quick snacks breaks, I'm back. Okay. 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 After a quick snacks break, I came. So now let's just fly out of here. Now the people find a plains battle. This is bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's the little bit of grass. Why am I not using? I have so much firework rockets. Why am I not using? Oh wow! Seriously? Let me get a water bucket right there. Oh, sorry, I forgot my trident. Oh my god! Oh my! I already lose the chest. So him, I hate him. Instead, I have no every single armor piece on the walls instead of armor piece I need. So why am I breaking when I got an efficiency? Oh, I can't. That right there. That. Wait. How am I got a seed site? My brightness is all. Oh, what? Did I get a TNT? Nope. Is this a TNT? I can't see. Yeah, now I can. Definitely is a TNT. Because I cannot see. I was not even able to see. Instead of that TNT, I would be dead like a cooked chicken nugget. Okay, now let's just, now looting time. Ooh, that is a lucky spawn. Oh, 1 sec. Just put that thing like that. What? Come on. Yes. Whew, that was odd. That was really odd. Okay, I can't see a thing. Oh, on. How is I so lucky? Okay, I was lucky. What? What is that enchantment, guys? I can't see. What? What? What is that enchantment? Just flip the screen. Okay, guys, I can't see any enchantment except in my thing. Oh my god, escape you guys, what we have to get? Yeah, just waste the water. Just put the water there. It's time. Raptor, try it out of here. Still really did not do that again. Okay, let's just aim there. Really did not do anything. Let's just aim correctly out, or I'm stuck in here forever. Ha. Okay. Gap up. Now just aim that there. No, what? I was this much correct. Where did I get wrong? Let me just press the watch all the way. Yep. What? Oh, I did not thought of that. Oh no, I need block. Oh, does this have sand? Yes, it has sand. That is just okay, I'm going around, bro. That's enough. Okay, I can't see a thing for the minute. Boom and boom. There we go. Now I'll just place sand anywhere I want because I don't want to have in my inventory because that is the luckiest persons. Okay, let's just try and do this correctly. Saturn, I'm not super good in Minecraft, but I just okay, the pucha sauce. Trust me. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna wait, I don't have water to run. I need to run. Actually, no, I have an elytra. Ooh, ow, prickled to death. Yeah, it's Reptatron time, boys. What? It's a basic armor. Oh no. Yes. Look at that, boys. That's supplied by what? What the? What? What? When? When is that possible? Okay, bro. Don't need a seed. Don't need that. Let's get. Don't need a Chucky boy. What happened there? Okay then. Why don't we eat rotten flesh? It's tasty. No, it's not. It gives you hunger. Why am I going back? That I literally found. How many hunger? I can't exit. I cannot exit. Oh, that's bad. Okay, I can't exit. Ooh, the woodland biome. What was that, sir? One sec. Raise volume 4. Can I even hear? Oh, sorry. You guys are... What is that? What? Oh, it's a squid. Did I just kill a squid using it? What is that? That's glowing sick. I forgot that exists. Oh, this is a nice island, huh? Well, it was a nice island if I did not resign. Okay, bro. Okay. There's actually a chapter. Oh! We found it. Nope. Wrong button. Sheesh. Not that let's try it and this odd. We found it. Oh, if I down there, a paper dead, like insanely fast. What am I doing? Why is my squid not working? So this is lava. And this is obsidian now. That's enough. Now we got one piece of lava right here. Yes, I know. So let's run out this entire space. Why did I place it there? Yeah. Okay. Now let's just parkour using this. Do I have a shovel? No, I forgot. Okay, now let's dig up all these thingamabobblies. It's really good because should I die? Let's see. Do I die? Oh no, I die. I lost everything. I lost everything, bro. Nothing is. Except my armor, bro. It's another one, but I lost every single thing. I'm quitting. I'm not quitting. This world is not good. The world. I think pucha sauce. Bro, thanks for the. Oh wow, that's so wrong. Pucha sar. Pero bam, they've got an armor, blah blah, predators, infinite seed. I love cats. That is my seed, everybody. That's going to be the most insane seed I ever seen. You guys are going to see. Just go look. I'll say. Real maybe a cat is the best seed I got. Please. What is this seed? What is this seed? I'm literally looking at a grass block. Wait, what? Oh, I am in a creative mode right now. Sorry. This is powdered snow, bro. I see that. I knew it. I knew these are powdered snow. I can walk on these guys. Okay, well, that was good enough, bruh. You're not dying me anytime. I'm literally in creative, bro. Who is trying to die me in creative mode? Oh my god! Oh, that's the best. That's the best thing ever. Oh, what did I do? No. Sorry, villagers' house. Hi, guys. Waka chaka like a chaka. Okay, I need to remove this iron golem, bro. This guy's insane. Let me just go get another PP slices and buddy, you're dead, bro. Critical attack! Oh my god, I'm doing. Oh, well, RIP Iron Golem, bro. Yeah, but no, here and wait. Have this. Did he take it? Bro, did he take it? Okay, no, he did not. Okay, well, that means I'm just put it in my inventory. Just need only these much things, okay? Not cheating. Don't doing anything stupid. Just getting in the car open to this. But I'm gonna be wooby. Get up. That's right. That's my pen now. Yeah, I love cowpads. Let's get. Yeah, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, I'm in the cow. That's item. I mean, a peep. That. Netherite. Diamond that's netherite, of course. Yeah, diamond, netherite, and I think diamond and netherite picks. Did I just get rid of an axe? Yes. Don't worry, bam. Well, we need armor, boys. So, just kidding. What about another armor, another chest, and then boots, and then bang. I need these things on the corner. Oh, I can see because I have a computer. 2 tridents, 2 elytras, and 1 billion totems. I just mean 1 million totems, but I am I'm dumb. I mean, 1 more totem for just in case. That we need is this enchanted golden apples. Every time we eat this, instead of eating golden apples, which just gives you like, I don't know, region that house for 5 seconds. Do everybody use 5 seconds to do that? I definitely need an e chest and some. Let's put a spare color. Don't worry, guys. I'll just take this and some of this for just in case. Then, oh my god, I'm a look check. Oh, I'm done. My screen. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm done. After reaching 30. Okay. So, guys, you guys must go, okay? What are you doing? I'm going to survival mode. I'm turning off my phone for a little bit, okay? Sorry, guys, my phone is going to explode. I'm sorry, I thought I was incredible mode. Full iron armor, totems of undying, elytras, only 1 trident. Let's put everything in my chest. That's why I got a lot of chest for. Okay, 3 items, a stack of golden apples, right there. Golden apples, and this. Who took nether coats? Okay, so for elytra breaking, bam bam. Okay, chest now. This is not breakable. I have another pick, but this is why I said it to you guys. Don't worry. That's why I got a diamond pick, boys. Enchant to silk touch, right? Silk touch. Boom. There we go. Now I can just do this. All my items are in there. And use my diamond pickaxe to break it. Just break fast, that's all. To get that, just need efficiency 5. / enchant to efficiency 5. There we go. Now look at how fast I break. Oh, sorry. Don't worry. Bam. Oh, okay, sorry guys. You guys was here, bro. What is that, bro? I'm right here. Just one thing. What is that? What is that? What is that? Gapple up, boys. It's gappling up time. Now here on this end, to get virus and absorption. Now I just need is what was I need? I need this golden carrot. Okay, what is this reveal for the meaning? Okay, clicking W for a lot of seconds. Nah, I'm going to get stuck if I don't have a water bucket. That's a bad idea if only my reptile trident works. Oh, water! What? Whoa, what is that? That's like a dragon or something. Give me water, bro. I knew it, water. What? Can I get a water source? Am I but I turn off fire. Yes. No, I gotta get out of there, Mr. Bahubali. Holy Baba is the bird of the. Why am I saying Holy Baba? That's why. That's pucha always says Holy Baba, bruh. Wait, didn't I go an iron golem and got iron ingots? That's why, bro. What am I doing? What am I doing? Just go get that iron. I think that was like right here or something. Wait. That was right here. The iron. There is no way to go get iron the old-fashioned. So, Sharon, you said to make a video. My phone is going to be insanely difficult to handle this game. Sharon, I respect to you. You really want to see my gaming skills or whatever you want to do with me. But Sharon, my phone is actually crazily fired my balls right now. So, oh my god, I can't even touch the screen. That much harder. Oh, this is what I came here for. Can I get the water, please, guys? Thank you. That was not what I asked for. Let me just shoot. Okay, come on. Next time is going to be proper. I've had a relish in this video. That's all. New hardcore series. Oh, I just died. So, the thing is, new hardcore series worlds are coming in, boys. And wait up, Sharon, for the next video. Sponsored by Pucha. Don't know what Pucha's real name is. I know what I'm not telling you guys because that is cheating. Because it's cheating, huh? Right, boy? That's cheating. Nobody gets names. So Fly Pro, I don't have any fireworks. Let's use the firework rock. 500. Yes. That's the correct amount. I don't need to go and check it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video out. Hey, look at me. So, Sharon, hope you enjoyed the video. You guys, Sharon, you asked for this video. That's because you asked for it right now. I'm going to my death. Yeah, you guys know. I clutch everything, boys. I clutch everything. Good. I just need to get out any second there. Because I don't want to die. Thanks, Sharon, for watching this video. And I hope you enjoy this video. Zoom in. Waka chaka laka chaka. We holy baba. One more thing I need to show you guys. It's the Riptide Trident. I'm gonna kill you guys with this. Yes, that's you. Never. Reality. Whoa, why would I even do that? Huh? Yeah, why would I even do that, bro? Why? You guys are my viewers. Hello. It's Riptide Trident. Filming this, that's a lot of time. My computer's keyboard. Okay, now you can hear my computer screaming. That was my microphone inside the computer. You guys know what that means, boys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. That's because that's my dream to hit 1 million billion quadrillion point 99.999.999 subscribers. See you later, boys. Bro, you destroy my actual heavenly ball. But what are you doing, bro? What are you dude? Thanks, bro. I'm drowning. Sorry, drowning serious here. No, that's just go away. Oh my god, just get out of there. What am I doing? I can take a look at this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. After I pop it out. That's all. That's what everyone was asking me, so let me just pop a totem by going up hyper in the sky, bro. Sorry. Wrong button. Now I think this is the button. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry. No, that's the wrong button. No. Yes! After spamming 27 total fireworks and after eating some. Okay, let's get it back up. Boys, this is all for you. Especially the puchas. Don't worry if I limit the height limit, build limit, or even the flying limit. It's go time, boys. Thanks for watching. It's Trident Man 2000. There, we did it, boys. Before I don't do that, let me put a totem on. Definitely, like I'm wasting the I'm the totem waster, guys. Literally the totem waster of 2. Oh, I forgot to put the elytra on. Look at that. Now, let me just aim, bro. Let me aim. Let me aim. Oh, this guy's not letting me aim. Oh, I hate this guy. Okay. Oh wow, he died immediately. Well, thanks for watching. It's enough days. I've been old and 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 old. I'm not an Alex Swamp, right? I'm Steve. I'm Naked Steve. No. I am Nestorio PL, the greatest Minecraft player. No, I'm not. I'm the scariest Minecraft player ever. Wearing black dark magic. That's enough. I'm just going home, bro. That's enough. I'm too scared for you guys, huh? Okay, I'm going home. I have to tell them about it. That is the baddest idea ever. So now, I think you guys enjoy, and bye bye. See you later. My phone is going to upload in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.